What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will explain to you a possible reason why your horizontal YouTube videos are being deleted by YouTube. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So YouTube recently had a policy update regarding horizontal and square video formats. So if you're one of the people that upload square or horizontal videos, this might have affected you. So if you upload any new videos with a square or vertical aspect ratio up to 3 minutes in length, they will be considered as shorts and a part of the shorts revenue sharing model. But if any square or taller videos that you have uploaded are over 60 seconds in duration and have an active content ID claim of any type, they will be blocked globally by YouTube and not eligible for monetization. So if your horizontal videos have any, let's say, copyrighted songs or video material, they might be affected by this new YouTube policy update. If you're interested in learning a bit more about this, if you have been affected, I will leave this link in the description below so you can read up on it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.